Welcome to day 14 of Vim Tip of the Day. Today, I will show you one of the most useful movement commands. This is the find character command. So if you are on this line and you type the command F and H, it finds the first H character. Use Fy to find the first Y character. So if you're on this line, if you do 3, which is a counts, 3FL, it finds the third L on this line. And the reverse is also true. Uppercase H finds the first H to the left. And if you're using TX, it's just like FX, except it stops one character before the search character. If you use TH, it stops right before the first H. If you go to the end of the line and you type capital TH, it stops right before that character. But since you're going backwards, it starts at the O, and then you can replace the O with U to fix that misspelling. These 4 commands can be repeated with the semicolon and the comma. So if I come back here and I use FL, it finds the first L, then I use semicolon, semicolon. So it keeps on searching for the L. Or if I use comma, then it goes in reverse. Thanks for watching.
Thank you for watching. If you're ever looking for a paid tutor to help you with anything computer science, Python, Java, C, please check out my profile on Wyzant and my YouTube profile.